यो चाहिँ BSB को shopping center छ है यो चाहिँ सबै It's really beautiful Thank you अहिले चाहिँ म BSB मा घुम्नको लागि आएको आज एकदमै गर्मी पनि अति नै गर्मी छ हैन सानो सानो यहाँ चाहिँ रिक्साहरु पनि छ एकदम सेन्टरमा रहेको यो मस्क इट्स अ रियली ब्युटिफुल मस्क हैन तपाईले देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ इट्स रियली दामी छ है दामी गर्मी छ तर गर्मीको फिल पनि भएको छैन के यो दामी ठ्याक्क फोटो खिच्ने ठाउँ है यो चाहिँ राति चाहिँ झिलिमिली बल्छ अरे हैन यो ठाउँ अनि यो चाहिँ देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ यो फ्रेम यो चाहिँ फ्रेममा चाहिँ राखेर चाहिँ फोटो मजाले खिच्न सकिन्छ What's your name?
My name is Saidi.
Saidi.
I'm
Hi
from
Saidi.
Brunei.
Okay.
I live in Water Village.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a boat, right?
Yeah, I have a boat. This is my work for every day to find some tourists to bring them the all trips in Water Village by boat.
Okay.
And I will bring them to see the King Palace,
Okay.
the Second Palace, the Story of Brunei. After the three, I can bring them go to the mangrove to see the Proboscis monkey, the long nose,
Okay.
and the crocodile as well in the mangrove.
Okay, yeah.
And after go to the mangrove, I can bring them the all trips in Water Village by boats. And the last
Okay.
one, I can bring them to.
Where's your boat? Where's your boat?
My boat is in front.
Okay.
I have a big boat. My boat have roofs.
Okay.
And I have a life jacket. It's
Yeah,
very safe.
that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Saidi.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. यसलाई चाहिँ वाटर भिलेज भन्छ है अहिले वाटर भिलेज यो BSB को ठ्याक्कै सेन्टरमा छ अहिले चाहिँ अब यस्तो तपाईले देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ बोटमा ट्याक्कै छिर्यो हामी Hi Saidi.
Hi.
It's gonna take us around हैन अब यो लाइफ ज्याकेट चाहिँ सट्ट लाउने हो सबैले एक एउटा भिरेर यहाँ चाहिँ अब क्रोकोडाइल देखिन्छ है हजुर हो यहाँ हल्का
Do you see in front?
Where?
Big one.
Oh, टाउको मात्रै देख्यो नि क्रोकोडाइल क्रोकोडाइल हन्ट गर्ने ठाउँ चाहिँ यो रहेछ है
They swim.
ऊ त्यहाँ रहेछ सानो ऊ त्यहाँ छेउछेउमा टाउको मात्रै हेर्नु पर्ने रहेछ
Yeah. You see?
रियल
उता देख्नु त यहाँको सानो हुन्छ
Yeah, they swim.
यो चाहिँ माछा मार्ने ठाउँ तपाईले देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ
That is the stone. There's a story of Brunei. This is a real story. There's 1,000 years ago. There's one boy. His name is Sitangang, and every day there's a fight with her mother. There's this family is very rich, and there's every day the boy there's fight with her mother, and one day she wants to go to somewhere I don't know by boat, and they have a red. It's very red and. It's like that. The stone. This is a real story. Do you see? This is a stone.
Palace. It's a new palace रहेछ है यो अगाडिको चाहिँ for the next king. Wow.
King, the number. Yeah, the symmetry.
यो चाहिँ 16th king को चाहिँ यो चाहिँ सिमेट्री अरे
King's number 16.
यहाँ रहेछ नि त एक घुल बाँदर
This is in one group.
बाँदरको चाहिँ एक घुल यहाँ रहेछ है तल What is the name of monkey?
Proboscis monkey.
Proboscis monkey.
Yeah, the long nose.
Oh, long nose. यो चाहिँ लामो नाक भएको Proboscis monkey अरे
This is in one group. If the
Both
long
रहेछ
nose,
त्यहाँ
there's a male, and if the short nose, there's a female.
Okay.
The monkey likes to eat the young leaf only. They don't like to eat anything. Masuk.
20 लिटरै होला यार अहिले चाहिँ तपाईँले देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ किङ प्यालेस ब्रुनाईको किङ प्यालेस हो यो चाहिँ अगाडिको त्यो माथि देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ त्यो पहेँलो त्यो चाहिँ रियल गोल्ड अरे यहाँ चाहिँ माथि माछा मार्दै चाहिँ यहाँ यो चाहिँ
Enters again.
This one is the primary school हैन यो चाहिँ अगाडिको देख्दै हुनुहुन्छ तपाईले यो चाहिँ प्राइमेरी स्कुल हो यो वाटर भिलेजको अनि this one is the high school आजको हाम्रो यात्रा चाहिँ अब सक्यो यहाँ आएर इट्स रियली शोर्ट एन्ड स्विट हैन अति नै दामी थियो आजको हाम्रो सानो छोटो मिठो बोट ट्रिप